Hey everyone, it's Anna and I have another tea taste test for you. Today I am going to be trying Tazo Glazed Lemon Loaf. Revel in a dessert-worthy tea with tangy notes of lemon and velvety creamy vanilla. Sounds pretty good to me. This tea was recommended by Stephanie from Recipe Archaeology. Yes, that Recipe Archaeology, the folks that I collaborated with earlier this week. She mentioned how much she liked having this for her mid-morning tea break when she wanted something a little bit sweet but didn't want to completely indulge. So I had to find it and I had to try it. Did I set out to have a series of videos where I taste test teas that taste like other things? No, but here we are. So I'm taking your tea suggestions. Let's get to brewing. I've got my regular tea set up here with my fellow electric kettle and my little tea rest that I think looks like Dottie. And today I am using a glass bake mug with a brown mushroom pattern. Probably doesn't surprise you to hear that I also collect vintage teacups and mugs, in addition to all of my other vintage kitchenware. I don't know the official name for this pattern. It can be quite difficult to find the official names of glass bake patterns, so if you know what it is, please let me know in the comments down below. So I've gone ahead and I've boiled my water to the standard 212 degrees, and now I need to let the tea steep for a full 5 minutes. Through the magic of editing, the 5 minutes have passed, and here I am removing the tea bag, putting that on my little tea rest. Always handy to have one of those. I'm adding my standard ½ teaspoon of sugar, giving that a little stir, and now we're ready to taste test. Ready to taste test, a couple of first impressions. When I opened the box of tea itself, I didn't smell anything. When I opened the sachet, the individual packet, very fragrant. Even as I was brewing this, I could smell it, like, in my kitchen. I didn't even have to be very close to it. It was almost like I was baking a lemon cake, or maybe even like a lemon loaf candle or something like that. It is very, very creamy vanilla. Like, you can kind of get the bright zestiness of the orange when you smell it. Yeah, this is promising. As far as like the scent goes, if the taste is anything compared to that, I'm gonna like it. Oh, that is really good. I think adding that little bit of sugar that I like to add to my tea just boosts the flavor a little bit. But yeah, I get that like buttery, kind of like buttercream vanilla flavor. Nice lemon there. This is really, really delightful. It's like a treat without having to eat an entire slice of lemon loaf. This was a great recommendation. Thank you, Stephanie from Recipe Archaeology, for telling me about this tea. Do you have any teas that you would like me to taste test? I don't know how this happened, but I taste test teas now. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have a favorite and you would like me to try it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post content like this every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.